Well, I guess the China bars ain't very good. Burnt the tip right up. And, well, it had grease in it. And it was oiling. The chain wasn't over tightened. I've never seen that other than with the China bars. So, yeah. Spend the money on something better. Not these things. So let's see how durable this thing is. Oh, well, okay. Not very good. There, anyway. Huh. Well, let's try that again. Down further. Nope. Huh. Not very good. Definitely some very cheap tin. That's no good. Very cheaply made. Yep. I don't think Gore should act like that. Don't buy the cheap China one. The bar that came on it lasted way longer than the bar that came on it lasted about 2 years, almost 2 years. And this one lasted about 2 weeks. That's why.